Good afternoon, students of class 9. I am taking this special class, online class part 23 on mensuration, because in my last class I had some technical problem, so I could not upload videos based on the last few sums of mensuration. Only 3 or 4 sums left. Now your puja holidays homework. Enjoy your puja, but along with it do some sums, practice sums. First I am coming to your puja holiday homework. Puja holiday homework, practice all the sums of coordinate geometry, all the sums in a special copy, and all the sums of exercise 15.3. Now there is a sum based on mensuration sum for you all. Please copy it in your copy. ABCD is a square with sides of length of 6 cm. Find the point M on BC. You look at the figure, it is a square, ABCD is a square. Though my figure is not so very perfect square, but you can understand it is a square and point M is on BC. Such that the area of triangle ABM, look, ABM is 2. Area of trapezium ADCM is equal to 1:3. Now we don't know the distance of BM. So we are taking it as x. Since it is square, you know all the sides have same distance. If AB is same 6 cm, then obviously BC is also 6 cm. But what is BM? BM obviously will be x minus 6 or 6 minus x. So area of triangle ABM is equal to half base into height, that is 6 into x, that is 3x square, x centimeter square. Area of the trapezium ADCM is equal to half into 6 plus 6 minus x into parallel sides, that is equal to 6 centimeter square. That is, if you cut it, if you reduce it, 6, if you cut it divided by 2, that is 3 plus 12 minus x centimeter square. Now according to the problem, 3x by 3, 12 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. Now if you cross multiply it and cut it, what it will come? This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. You will get 3x is equal to 12. Just cross multiply. 12 minus x. So x will come this side. It will become 4x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 3 is the midpoint means it will have equal distance. So the distance of M is 3, x is 3. So we can conclude that M is the midpoint of the line BC. Thank you. Now coming with my second application. The parallel sides AB and DC of a trapezium ABCD are 51 and 30 cm respectively. If the side AD and BC are 20 and 13. So this is 20 and this is 13 respectively. Find the distance between the parallel sides and the area of the trapezium A, B, C, D. So what you have to do, you have to draw. You have to draw some extension lines. What you have to draw? You draw CE. You have to draw this line. CE is parallel to AD or DA. And CN, that is a perpendicular line to AB. So CN will represent the height. Alright. So then AE. Look, AECD is a parallelogram. AECD is a parallelogram. And you know EC is equal to AD and AE is equal to DC. That is 20 cm and 30 cm. EB is then how much? EB is obviously will be AB minus AE. AB is 51 minus 30, that is equal to 21 cm. So EB is 21 cm, BC is 13 cm, and you know EC is equal to 20 cm. So semi-perimeter is equal to 20 plus 21 plus 13 divided by 2. That is equal to 27 cm. Now area of triangle ACEB. CEB means this triangle CEB is equal to S. We know area of when 3 sides are given to you, what will be S? S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. If you put the values, you will find it is 27 because semi-perimeter is 27. Then 27 minus 20, that is equal to 7. 20 minus 27 minus 21, that is equal to 6. 27 minus 13, that is equal to 14. So if you square root it, and you will get 9 into 7 into 2, that is 126 square centimeter. So area of the triangle CEB is equal to 126 square centimeter. Then area of triangle CEB is equal to half base into height. What is base EB and height is equal to CN. So area is 126, half 21 into CN. What is CN? That is the height. CN is equal to 2 into, just cross multiply, 2 into 126 by 21, that is CN, that is equal to 12 square centimeter. Area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? Equals to half sum of parallel sides into height. Area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides is equal to 51. Sum of parallel sides is equal to 51 plus 30. 51 plus 30, 51 plus 30, that is equal to 81. Into height is equal to 12. Just now we got height is equal to 12. That means half into 81 into 12. That is 486 square centimeter. Clear, children? Copy this sum in your copy. Now coming with the last application, ABCD is a rectangle. PQRS is a rhombus inside the rectangle whose vertices are the midpoint on the sides of the rectangle. Now AB is given 8 cm and AD is equal to 6 cm. You have to find the area of the rhombus PQRS, the area of the triangle PBS, and the length of PT, and I have to write what is PT. This is PT. Find the length of PT where PT is perpendicular drawn on P to QR. Alright. This is type of figure you will get. Now you know QS. Look at the figure. QS is equal to AB. QS is equal to AB. Why? Because the same size. And PR is equal to AD. That is equal to 6 cm. QR and RP are the diagonals of P. QS and PR are the diagonals of PQRS. Area of the rhombus is half into product of the diagonals. Half into QS and P. Area of rhombus PQRS is equal to half into product of the diagonals. Half into QS into PR. That is half into 8 into 6, that is equal to 24 square centimeter. Since P is the midpoint on AB, obviously if AB is equal to how much? 8 centimeter, then it will be 4 centimeter. Obviously. So, and S is the midpoint on BC. S is the midpoint on BC. And what is BC? BC is equal to 6. So, obviously BS is equal to 3 centimeter. So, area of triangle PBS is equal to half PB. Check where is PB? PB into BS. That is half 4 into 3, that is equal to 6 centimeter square. In triangle PBS, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now, applying Pythagoras, PS square is equal to PB square plus BS square. That is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25. PS is equal to root over of 25, that is 5 centimeter. What is QR? QR is equal to 5 centimeter also. Area of the rhombus is of the rhombus PQR is equal to 24 square centimeter. We have already find it out. 24 square centimeter. Area of rhombus is PQR is equal to 24 centimeter square. Now QR into PT is equal to 24. The QR is equal to 5, PT into 24. So then PT is equal to 24 by 5. Then PT is equal to 4.8 centimeter. So area of the rhombus is 24 centimeter square. Then area of triangle PBS equals to 6 centimeter square. And the length of PT where PT is perpendicularly drawn from P to QR is equal to 4.8 centimeter. All of you, happy puja. Practice all the sums of 15 all and coordinate geometry all the sums. When the school will open, That is on 2nd November. We'll start with the revision and revision test. All right. And obviously you will have your finals in December. So stay healthy, stay fit, and also practice maths. Happy Puja, children.